Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well. I am also fine. I am Saiful Islam, expired of BBA, Azimul Title for the education. Dear student, last class I discussed about that, and I also discussed how to calculation of that. Actually, there are two steps of calculation of that. First steps is calculation of sales, and second step is calculation of VAT. And last class I discussed that how to calculation of sales, and I also write on the board the how to prepare calculation of sales. And today I will discuss how to calculation of VAT. Dear students, look at the blackboard. Actually, this is total formula or this is method of calculation of VAT. And there are two methods of calculation of VAT. And I think the method is very easy. So I have written the method in the blackboard. At first, when you will prepare total sales, you should better understand it that without sales, without calculation of sales, you would not able to find calculation of VAT. That means you will must find out sales when you will want to calculation of VAT. The last class I discussed, I mentioned, and I also written the blackboard that how to we will prepare sales. And today I will discuss how to calculation of VAT. At first, sales revenue we have written, we will written sales revenue. Sales revenue, we will find sales revenue first table, that means calculation of sales. From that tables we will get sales revenue minus raw material used. From where we will get raw material used? When we will calculation of sales, first para you will get raw material used. Raw material used means, I repeat again, I repeat that opening raw material plus purchase of raw material minus closing raw material. Then we will get raw material used. Sales revenue minus raw material used. Then we will get value added. When we will get value added amount, then we will calculation of VAT. How to? Value added figure into 15%, and the result is VAT. Suppose sales revenue 20,000. Raw material used 15,000. Then value added will be 5,000. Now, if I calculate value added or VAT, then VAT will be value added here 5,000 into 15%. That means VAT will be 750 taka. It is very easy method for calculation of VAT. I would again reply, at first sales revenue. Suppose sales revenue 20,000. Less or minus raw material used. Suppose raw material used 15,000. Value added. So value added will be 5,000. Now calculation of VAT. Value added into 15%. That means here value added is 5,000 and VAT is 15%. So total VAT will be 750 taka. This is the formula of calculation of VAT. Dear student, when you will calculation of VAT, at first you will must calculate sales revenue. Without sales revenue, without calculation of sales revenue, you would not able to find VAT. That means when you will calculation VAT, that your first requirement will be calculation of sales revenue. You will must calculation of sales revenue. When you will calculation sales revenue, then you will find out VAT. And last class I totally discussed how to figure sales or sales revenue. There are a formula. I want to reply again. At first, opening raw material plus raw material purchase minus closing raw material. Then we will get raw material used. With raw material used, we will add any direct cost. Then direct labor, direct wages. Then we will get fine cost. And with fine cost, we will add factory overhead. Then we will get cost of goods manufactured. And with cost of goods manufactured, we will add opening working process and deduct closing working process. Then we will get cost of goods manufactured. With cost of goods manufactured, we will add opening. We will add opening. We will add opening finished good and less closing finished good. Then we will get cost of goods sold. And with cost of goods sold, we will add two expense. One is official admin expense and others is salaries and salesman expense. Then we will get total cost. And when we will get total cost, with total cost, we will add profit. Total cost plus profit, that will be result of sales. And in the way, we will get sales or sales revenue. When we will figure sales revenue and sales revenue minus raw material used, then we will get value added, and that as the last time we will calculate VAT. VAT, we will calculation VAT value added amount into 15%. Here value added is 5,000 into 50%. That means VAT will be 750 taka. Dear student, I hope you will get a full mark if you find a math on calculation of VAT, and inshallah every year calculation of VAT chapter you will get a math. And if you study about the math in your class or in your home, inshallah, you will currently prepared calculation of that, and you will get full mark in calculation of that. Okay, no more today. Best of luck.